In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom loading screen for your Wix website. If you want to enhance your visitor's experience with a professional and visually appealing loading phase on your site, this is a great way to do it. A custom loading screen can set the tone for your website right from the start and make that first impression memorable. Let's begin by accessing the Wix editor. This is where we will incorporate our loading screen. Once you're inside the Wix editor, move your cursor over to the left-hand side where you'll find the Add button. It's your go-to for adding any new element to your site. Click on Add and a menu will pop up displaying a range of options you can include in your site. What we're looking for specifically are the loading screen elements. Browse through the options until you find the one that suits your website's theme and aesthetics. Click on your desired element to add it to your site. Remember, your loading screen is the first thing people see, so it's worthwhile spending some time choosing something that aligns with your brand. A thoughtful design might include your logo, an engaging animation, or a captivating background image, anything that holds your brand identity. Once you've added your chosen element to your site, it's time to enable the loading screen. Navigate back to the main menu and locate the Site Settings option. In here, you'll want to look for the option that lets you enable the loading screen. With a simple toggle, you can turn this feature on, setting your new visual gatekeeper into motion. Now let's move on to customization because one size fits all does not apply in the world of web design. Head back to the loading screen element you added and click on it to open the customization options. This is where you can truly make the loading screen your own. You can adjust different elements such as the colors, fonts, and animations to better match your brand. Remember to keep the design consistent with the rest of your site. Consistency is key to creating a professional and seamless user experience. You're nearly done. Once you're happy with the design and feel of your loading screen, return to the Wix editor overview. Here, be sure to hit the Save button. It ensures that all your hard work is stored safely and that those changes will appear on the published site. And there you go, you've successfully added and customized a loading screen on your Wix site, enhancing the experience right at the very beginning of your visitor's journey. Be sure to preview the changes to see how they look in real time and make any final tweaks as necessary. Having a custom loading screen is a small addition that can make a big impact. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope your new Wix site leaves a lasting impression.